One of you makes such a difference in my life. I really want to thank you. I have good friends here. I have clients here that have become friends. I have the best music here. Thank you so much for coming.
Who's your favorite friend?
Who's my favorite friend? Terry, did I tell you were my favorite friend earlier? Was that it? Gail, did I tell you were my favorite friend? Do I say this like repeatedly to everyone? Sandra, did I tell you were my favorite? I did, didn't I? Yes. Okay. So.
And sorry,
Band is amazing. They will continue afterwards as well. So I just wanted to thank you very much for coming to help me with the celebration of being downtown. As you know, I lost my Jerry, who was my partner and my and everything, as you guys know. And I was very lucky to have an amazing man like that in my life, business partner, travel partner, and life partner. And then when that door doesn't close, I mean, but when that happens, you think there is nothing, right? There is nothing next. I mean, like, why are you working? Why are you living, right? And then you just work because that's safe. And then you shut people out because that's safe. And then during the grieving, you meet these people who are also grieving, like my friend did. And we became good friends while we were both grieving for someone we both loved so much. And a friend of mine who introduced me actually to Jerry says there's a reason. No, wait, what does she say? There's a reason, there's a season, and there's a lifetime. Yeah, there was a reason when we met, then became a season. Now it's becoming a lifetime, which is kind of scary. Are you kidding? But what we are here for today is our being downtown. I love being downtown. I love the DBIA. I love everything about entrepreneurs. I love everything about our community futures and making entrepreneurs happen. I love everything about our Chamber of Commerce. I mean, the support the system gives, the system our city gives to our entrepreneurs is amazing. I love being part of it. So we're going to be starting some workshops downtown starting in June in this space. Nice space. In the wine loft, which is just beautiful. I've been already starting face-to-face consulting in my office downstairs, which has been wonderful. Okay, what's on that screen? But anyways, you get it. Which has been awesome. And not sure what else I wanted to say. I want to say thank you for coming. I want to say thank you for my support all through the last few years. The support I've gotten from my friends and my coworkers have been outstanding. You guys are crazy. I don't know why you even like me. I'm a bitch. So thank you so much.
Glad I didn't have to see it.
So, I'm not sure what else I wanted to say. It was thank you, and it was, welcome. And
you wanted to say eat? There's lots of food.
Oh, Tracy, thank you for being my caterer today at the last minute. I love you to pieces. I called her on Thursday. I said, what are you doing on Monday? I don't think I can do this on my own. So thank you, Tracy. Good friend and being the caterer tonight. We are also actually Winston Bromley. If you remember years ago, we came out and started Social Media Business Institute, and then I got a little bit of a brain tumor, and I couldn't remember what I said 20 minutes ago, and so we had to stop that. So we're relaunching that June 20th.
Excellent.
And thank you. Yeah. We're going to call it like a gym membership for social media, for digital marketing. So I'll have face-to-face workshops here for DBIA members, entrepreneurs, and then we're going to have the online system that he's pulling together with our virtual support starting on June 20th as well. So we're really excited about that. So I see Dave back there, Dave Medill. He's very shy. He hates being put out in the spotlight. He's knock on wood. Pretend you don't know who he is. He's been, I've been lucky enough to work with him for 8 years now. I don't know how we put up with each other sometimes. Yeah.
Because he's right by the booze.
That's why. So we're going to do a little ribbon cutting, which is so cool. Yeah, so I'm going to ask Terry up here to help me with the ribbon cutting. I'm going to ask the Chamber of Commerce, so the DBIA, the Chamber. Yeah, and I'm going to, what do I do with this mic? Do I put the mic down?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
How? You do you. You're good.
You do you. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Ed, will you help me? Now, what do I do?
Please be careful. They're seriously sharp.
Come on,
Yeah. Come on, get in your head.
What's the last name?
There's
Don't
room
break
for
it.
one more.
What do we do?
You can count down to
You both
three.
hold on to it.
Yeah, and then
Count down to 3.
And then say congratulations, Sophie.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Pretend it's a circumcision.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yay! Woo!